Let's play 2 exercise pieces before we play the music seashell. Let's listen the music seashell first. From first line, right hand, C, D, E, F, F and G together 4 times, and last measure on the first line, G, F, E, D. Second line, E, F, G, G, F, E, C and D together 4 times, and the last note is E and C. Left hand, C, D, E, F, F and G together 4 times, and the last measure of the first line, G, F, E, D. Second line, C, D, E, E, D, C, C and D together 4 times, and the last note E and C. Let's see the finger positions and start playing. Put your both hands on C and G. You start from left hand C. F and G together. Both plays G, F, E, D. And right hand start from E, left hand start from C. Both play C and D. And C and E.